Hello, how are you? Our lesson from Primary 5, Unit 1, Lesson 5. It's about multiplying fractions. Multiplying fractions by another fraction. To multiply two fractions, we follow some steps. For example, 3 over 5 times 4 over 10. How we can solve it? Let's see together. Step number 1. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. Then form a new fraction. 3 over 5 times 4 over 10. Multiply the numerators. 3 times 4 and the denominators 5 times 10 equals 3 times 4 equals 12. 5 times 10 equals 50. Step number 2. Write the result in the simplest form. 12 and 50 are divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 50 divided by 2 equals 25. Find the result. 3 over 8 times 2 over 3. At first, multiply the numerators and denominators. 3 times 2 equals 6. 8 times 3 equals 24. Step number 2. Put the fraction in the simplest form. 6 and 24 are divisible by 6. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Another example. Find the result. 9 over 6 times 3 over 2. Step number 1. Multiply the numerators and denominators. 9 times 3 and 6 times 2. 9 times 3 equals 27. 6 times 2 equals 12. Step number 2. Put the fraction in the simplest form. 27 and 12 are divisible by 3. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Second, multiplying a fraction by a mixed number. 2 over 3 times 2 and 1 over 4. To convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, multiply the whole number by the denominators. Add 1 to the numerator. This now becomes the new numerator. For example, 2 over 3 times 2 and 1 over 4. Step number 1 will convert the mixed number into fraction. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9 and keep the denominator. 2 and 1 over 4 equals 9 over 4. Step number 2. 2 over 3 times 9 over 4 equals 2 times 9 equals 18. 3 times 4 equals 12. Step number 2. Put the fraction or put the result in the simplest form. 18 and 12 are divisible by 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Another example. 3 over 5 times 5 and 5 over 2. First step, convert the mixed number into improper fraction. 2 times 5 equals 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 plus 5 equals 15 and keep the denominator 2. 5 and 5 over 2 equals 15 over 2. Step number 2, multiply the numerators and denominators. 3 times 15 equals 45. 5 times 2 equals 10. Step number 3, put the result in the simplest form. 45 and 10 are divisible by 5. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 4 over 7 times 1 and a half. Step number 1, convert the mixed number into improper fraction. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 over 2. 1 and a half equals 3 over 2. Step number 2, multiply the numerators and denominators. 4 times 3 equals 12. 7 times 2 equals 14. Step number 3, put the result in the simplest form. 12 and 14 are divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Multiplying a fraction by a decimal. Find the result of 0.4 times 3 over 4. We convert the decimal to a fraction. 0.4 equals 4 over 10. 4 over 10 times 3 over 4 equals, multiply the numerators. 4 times 3 over 10 times 4 equals 4 times 3 equals 12. 10 times 4 equals 40. 12 and 40 are divisible by 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. So 0.4 times 3 over 4 equals 3 over 10. Find the result of 0.3 times 2 over 6. We convert the decimal to a fraction. 0.3 equals 3 over 10. So 3 over 10 times 2 over 6 equals 3 times 2 equals 6. 10 times 6 equals 60. 6 and 60 are divisible by 6. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 60 divided by 6 equals 6. So the result will be 1 over 6. Find the result of 2.5 times 2 over 5. We convert the decimal to a fraction. 2.5 equals 25 over 10. So 25 over 10 times 2 over 5 equals 25 times 2 equals 50. 10 times 5 equals 50. 50 divided by 50 equals 1. It's the end of our lesson. Thank you for listening and see you later. Bye.